How to fix keyboard disappeared in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option general management. Now click on it and then click on keyboard list and default. Now here you can set your default keyboard. After set your default keyboard, then go back and click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now again click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.